Nithyananda, welcome on my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you again. Today I want to talk about the new yoga teacher training, NYTT. It's gonna happen from the 11th of January till the 30th of January. And it's gonna be about Kundalini Raju yoga, about Shiva Stambha yoga, and about traditional yoga, Nithyananda yoga, which is actually the source is directly coming from the Agamas. What are the Agamas? It is the applied science from the Vedic science. What are the Vedic science? It is the Rishi, it is like cosmic archives, Sadashiva himself, or the higher consciousness, which reveals the best way to get back to your source. We are the source, we lost it, and it's to conquer it back. We lost it during ages ago, and to conquer it back now, we've got Paramahamsa Nithyananda, who is guiding us with his so big patience, and at the same time is giving us all the yogic powers, and there is a solution with Swamiji for everything. And he will, what is Swamiji? He will represent my source, your source. So the NYTT, actually the cost is 6,000 USD for 21 days. You're gonna be initiated into powers, manifesting powers too, and you're gonna, on top of that, be able to bring back this very unique yoga, where we got 2 Guinness Award within 4 days last September. So I will myself be a part of the team and be with you. Might it be, I speak 4 languages also, so there is like German, French, Spanish, and anyway, any translator here are available. And whatever is your age, come, because even if you have too much weight, you want to lose weight, if you want like having breakthrough into flexibility, if you are depressed, if you want to have back a yogic bodies, I mean muscle, here in the Bidadi field, actually the energy is so high. When you start to build your muscles, everything is going quicker here. You want to lose weight in 21 days, you can do it. You want to rebuild your muscles, same, you can do both together. I experienced an incredible breakthrough into flexibility with Raju Kundalini yoga. At the beginning I was not liking it at all because it was new and I felt like I couldn't do it. But finally I came into telling me every day I will do a little progress. And now, I mean, I did it September, I was translating and I was doing with the participant. And today when I'm talking to you, I'm going like so far away and my body became so flexible. Even I didn't train for 3 weeks now because I was outbound, and I came back this flexibility state totally. So I will let a link where you can inscribe you, and you can also contact me. And there is many videos about Kundalini Raju, and it is a grand possibility to bring it back to your country and to build your yoga studio with it and to have the source of the source, because Paramahamsa Nithyananda is the creator of yoga. We have this unique chance with us. I know it's too good to be true, but just come, make it happen. I'm here for creating for you this higher reality, and I will be more happy than teaching you how to have breakthrough in whatever is your condition and your age. With my love and blessing, Nithyananda. You can find me on Facebook too.